Monday, July 31st edition of the Carolina weather video. This is the final day of the month of July, and boy, what a great weather setup across the region. There's our Greensboro tower camera. As we start off the day, beautiful clear blue sky out there, fantastic stuff. We'll take a look at our Charlotte Dowd YMCA camera looking over toward Bank of America Stadium. It's a clear, cool, comfortable morning across the region, 62 at the Charlotte Airport. Take a look up in Boone here. We'll switch over, take a look at the downtown Boone camera, the courtesy of resortcams.com. That's King Street there. How about 48 degrees? 48 degrees in Boone. Really, really nice. Let's check some other mountain temperatures for you this morning, and a lot of really comfortable stuff. From many, many mountain areas, a lot of folks down into the 50s, a few 40s mixed in here and there when you take a peek at the high country overall. So it's a really nice, really comfortable start to the day. Does not feel like the final day of the month of July at all out there early this morning. Temperatures yesterday, what a great Sunday. Gorgeous stuff with high temperatures in the mountains in the 70s in many spots, some 80s elsewhere. Very low humidity, low and mid 80s across the Triad viewing area. Again, 70s for the mountains in the Charlotte viewing area, and then it was 80s elsewhere. Really nice stuff. Radar quiet, satellite quiet over really most of the eastern part of the country. The exception to that is Florida. You get down that way, that's where you have some areas of showers and thunderstorms. And I'll show you more in the tropical update in just a second. That's with an area of low pressure west of Tampa. High pressure over the Great Lakes still feeding in the northeasterly flow for another day here in the Carolinas. So that is a cooler and drier than average flow. So great stuff once again for today, and another pretty comfortable night ahead. Probably not quite as cool as what we're having this morning, but still very, very nice overall. As we get into the day tomorrow, maybe slightly muggy or slightly warmer, but still a pretty quiet day. Could be a couple showers or storms in the mountains or the immediately adjacent foothills, but that'll be about it. Wednesday, I think the rain you see once you get away from the mountain zones is pretty much overdone. Most of it's still dry Wednesday with highs that look like that. But getting warmer, there's Wednesday's highs, there's Thursday's highs, the warmer and muggier weather heading back in. And eventually for Friday and the weekend, a cold front will move in and then kind of stall out across the region. So I think starting Friday and then continuing through the weekend, some pretty good opportunities for scattered showers and thunderstorms. All right, tropical update time. Have a tropical wave out there in the Atlantic Ocean. At this point, it is not showing any immediate developmental signs. Again, here's that little low pressure west of Tampa that's trying to better organize. Futurecast here showing you this slowly moving across the Florida Peninsula over the next 36 hours or so. I don't think this is going to be able to become a classified tropical system. We'll watch it, but at this point, it does not look terribly likely. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.